In this video, we're going to be looking at how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so on my coordinate plane here, let's say I have 2 points, -1, 5, and I have a second point, 4, -1. That would be right here. 4, -1. Now, we could use something called the distance formula, which we will be looking at in the future. And we could actually use these coordinates to calculate the distance between these 2 points. Okay, but I'm going to do it using the Pythagorean theorem, which in my opinion is the method that I would use probably 99% of the time. Okay, basically what we need to figure out here is how long is this line segment going to be? How long is that going to be? What's the distance between those 2 points? How many coordinate units are going to be that line segment right there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat that as if it were a hypotenuse of a right triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a right triangle on my coordinate plane, where these are the 2 legs, and the distance, that blue line segment, is my hypotenuse. Okay, so all I need to do is figure out, okay, how long are these 2 legs? What's the distance of these 2 legs? And I can just do that by counting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the amount of units each line segment takes up on the coordinate plane. So this bottom leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be 5 units. And my hypotenuse, x, will be the length of that line segment, will be the distance between those 2 points. So let's go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem and go ahead and figure out what that is. So I'm going to say that a squared is going to be 6 squared. I'm going to have b be 5, so 5 squared equals x squared. 6 squared is 36. 5 squared is 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. And the square root of 61 is, rounded to the nearest tenth, 7.8. And that's how you find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane using the Pythagorean theorem.